In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add salary in Zoho Books. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the account dashboard. And from here, you'll want to navigate over to the Purchases section. It's here that you'll see the option to select expenses. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you're going to need to create a new expense. This is where we'll start recording the salary you're going to pay. In the Account field, you will have the option to choose an already existing account. Or if needed, you can create a new account. For salaries, something like salaries and employee wages would be suitable. This helps keep your records organized and clear. Once you've chosen or created the appropriate account, double-check that you've selected the correct currency for the transaction. This is particularly important if your business operates across multiple countries with different currencies. After you've confirmed the currency, it's time to enter the salary amount that you are paying to the employee. Make sure that you input this figure accurately as it affects your financial records and eventually tax filings. Now, you'll want to choose the Paid Through account. This is essentially the account from which the payment will be made. It's important to select the correct account to ensure the transaction is recorded accurately in both your bank account and your financial documents. Next, navigate to the Customer Name field. In this context, the customer refers to the employee who is receiving the salary payment. Find and select the right employee from the list. If it's easier, think of this field as the payee name. Additionally, you have the option to add some extra details. While this is not mandatory, adding notes like salary or a vendor reference number could be quite useful for future reference. These notes serve as internal communication within your accounting records. Especially helpful if you're working with a team and need to pass on specific information about this expense. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary information and you're confident everything is correct, find the Save button and click it. This action will record the salary as an expense. By doing this, you ensure that your financial records reflect all transactions and your books are up to date. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage salaries in Zoho Books, keeping your expenses organized and your records accurate. Thank you for joining me, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.